Loudspeaker headphone blots. Discovery. The Zimdancehall grenade finds a new target. If you're looking for an artist who embodies raw talent, controversy, and a relentless ability to reinvent himself, look no further than Blot, or Blot Grenade, as many know him. The Zimdancehall chanter is back with his latest single, Discovery, and if the early reaction is anything to go by, he's found a new level of lyrical sharpness. Blot has always been a lightning rod. From his breakout anthem, Endiri Bad, to the struggles and triumphs that have defined his career, his music has consistently reflected the unfiltered reality of the streets. Discovery, produced by SimplEsolid Records, continues this tradition but with a noticeable shift in focus. The track, Unpacking the Discovery. Discovery isn't just another dance track, it's a lyrical exploration. The song feels like an artist taking a deep breath, looking around, and sharing the lessons learned from the journey. Lyrical depth. Blot has always possessed a unique, rapid-fire flow, but here, the delivery is controlled, punching home a message about self-awareness, personal growth, and separating the fake from the real. The discovery he speaks of seems to be less about a moment and more about a sustained awakening. The beat. SimplEsolid provides a rhythm that is clean, sharp, and slightly minimal, allowing Blot's voice and lyrical venom to take center stage. It's got that signature Zimdancehall bounce, but it feels tailored for introspection rather than just pure energy. A mature sound. For fans who have followed his rollercoaster career, Discovery feels like an evolution. It retains the signature grit and honesty that made him a favorite, but layers it with a maturity that suggests he's channeling his energy into the mic rather than the distractions of the past. It's a track that demands you listen, and maybe even learn something. Why it matters right now. In a genre perpetually buzzing with new talent and old rivalries, including the much discussed back and forth with other Zimdancehall stalwarts, an artist like Blot needs to prove their enduring relevance. Discovery does just that by reclaiming the narrative. Blot is an artist who has lived a lot of his story in the public eye. This song is a bold statement, effectively saying, I have seen the world, I have learned my lessons, and now I'm back with knowledge. It's powerful to hear an artist take ownership of their path. Cup Clash Ready. While mature, the track still has the rhythm and flow that make it a certified scorcher in the dancehall arena. Expect this one to feature heavily in sound clashes and radio rotation. The verdict. Hit play, pay attention. Discovery is a must-listen for anyone who appreciates real, hard-hitting dancehall music with something to say. It confirms that the talent that first made Blot a star hasn't faded, it's just been sharpened by experience. He didn't just make a song, he made a statement. Go find it, turn it up, and make your own discovery about the grenade's latest payload. Are you looking for more details on the producer of Discovery, or would you prefer a recommendation for another Zimdancehall artist's latest song?